What's up guys, Lee's Garage here, back in the video, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your car door that won't shut properly. You can see here, just fine and dandy. As for the sliding door, actually it will ricochet and it won't close right. So without further ado, let's get into the video. One of the main components that allows your door to open and close is this little latch right here, and usually it will like move and spring up. So if I press this down, like that, and if I open the door, it will actually spring up. So see, like that. Basically, it will hit this little anchor right here, and it will close the door shut. So like an example, and then once I pull the handle, it opens up. But for a broken latch, like as right here on my sliding door, you can see it actually does not lock in place. It stays open, or it wants to go back to the original spot. So once you push this down, it should stay closed or locked in place. But you can see here, it's not. So this latch is broken. So this is the new part. So we're gonna do play a little pretend game. Pretend this is the latch we're trying to fix. So pop that in there, and Michael can try to open it or pull it. So it's hard to pull, but basically your door handles will push this wire and it allows it to release. So I'm gonna pull it right now. See? All right, do it again. Hope you guys are ready to click. All right. Hold up, go. See? So without further ado, let's go ahead and put in a new part. So replacing the door latch is pretty simple. You need to like remove a plastic cover and just unscrew these bolts. Find this wire, unplug it, and then you just put a new part in. That's pretty much it. This is a sliding door, so it will be a tiny bit more difficult. Before you guys take a door panel out, make sure you guys look up how to do it, and it's pretty much simple. As long as you don't break anything. But basically, the drive cable latch right there, and the cable should drive up to over here. So let's go ahead and take off these covering right here. Here's the latch cable. You can see it right here. Pretty easy. You just need to push this down.
Meanwhile,
so you just need to. There you go. Here, push it down and you pull out, and basically pull this part out, and alright, so this actually is like, you have to like go around and press these two tabs in to get it out. Pull this out like so, and then oh my god, there's another one. So same idea, just gotta press these two tabs inside. From inside, pull out. You might use 2 hands for this. Alright, I got this one out, and I push it. Need to unscrew 3 bolts from a latch. So you might run into a problem because the door latch might be stuck in there. That's because it's between the actual frame, as you can see it, but it'll actually be stuck on the frame. But luckily I can just unhook these 2 bolts, and it's like a little rod that holds the window when it comes down, and I can take out we call it the rod out, or the frame thingy, and the door latch should come out. This is what I'm talking about, the frame and windows go down, and it will be at the end of the latch, so it'll be stuck in there. So make sure you guys know how to line this up, because you can mess the thing up if you don't put it in the right spot. I install the new latch, and let's see if it works. Alright, go ahead and shut it. Go and shut it. Shut it, right? Alright, let's see. Try to open it. Alright, see, you can't open it because this part is not plugged in. So now I'm gonna pull this and see what happens. You guys hear it? Hello, buddy. Alright, let's do it again. Alright, do it again. You can see here. You can open it. And pull it. And there we go. So next up, you need to put this back inside of a little clip right here and put everything back together. The panel. Oh, don't forget to put on your window frame. So make sure you put your window frame first, and then your cable, and then your panel, this little cover here, and then your panel, and then that's pretty much it. Your car should be working. Alright guys, panel is back on, looking nice, and she's not moving, locked in place. Open up, voila, easy peasy. It just does fine. See here, doors lined up. Hell yeah. So again, another fix on me. Let's go. Alright guys, before I end the video, this is my mom's car, so I fixed it for her, and this is like a little reaction. Come on, mom. It's my fix. Look, mira. Alright, let's see. Hola, ma.
Ay. Hot.
Alright.
Muy bien. Disculpen la limpieza.
See, it locks in place. So when it broke, we had to like tie it using this little, using this damn cord. You see here, and we tie it on right here and do that on the back side. I can see it right there. But now it's fixed. Hope you guys enjoyed the mechanic video. So now you know how to fix a faulty door latch. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video and learned something from this, as you can save a lot of money. A part for my car, it's a 2006 Kia Sedona. It's around 50 bucks, and I know labor. Let's say a shop charged like 80 bucks an hour, and you will usually take like an hour and a half, so about like $100 to up to $200 just the labor plus a part. So like around like this is like about $150 to $200 job. So you will save a tons of money if you do it yourself. And I just use basic common hand tools, and that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like if you liked it, comment, let me know your thoughts, and subscribe for more videos. So, like always, I'll see you guys next time.